Africa. By investing in Ida, now, more than ever, long-term concessional financing is vital. As many Africans and other developing nations face severe debt crisis, this financial strain hampers our efforts to combat climate change, transition to low-carbon economy, and adequately fund essential sectors like education, health, and social protection. We have frequently discussed the financial challenges that restrict our economic capabilities and reduce our investment in resilience and growth. High interest rates lead to unsustainable sovereign debt, complicate refinancing, and destabilize our currencies.
More than half of African countries are debt distressed. Currently going through the restructuring of our debts under the G20 Common Framework, which we all know is a slow process and needs to be stepped up. At the same time, we're suffering from the increasing effects of climate change and the devastations caused by COVID-19 and other adverse global developments.
We believe that it should be a collective effort to highlight both the impactful success stories of Ida and the potential that Ida still has. Indeed, Ida has great potential to help its recipients to leverage resources from other partners.
En contribuant massivement